Hello everyone, welcome to Disha's official channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the importance of Gandhiji's ideologies and theories today. Gandhism or Gandhivad start with the famous line, simple living and high thinking, means Sada Jivan evam Uch Vichar. This itself is also suggestive of the fact that thoughts of an individual have a great role in shaping his life. That's why Gandhism appears to be simple to everyone, but in real sense, practicing it in day-to-day life is difficult. For instance, remaining truthful, tolerant, non-violent, and respecting others in difficult circumstances of life require a great degree of commitment. Let's discuss the various ideologies of Gandhiji. Truth and non-violence. Satya evam ahimsa. They are the twin cardinal principles of Gandhian thoughts. For Gandhiji, truth is the relative truth of truthfulness in words and deeds, and the absolute truth, the ultimate reality. This ultimate truth is God, and morality, the moral laws and code its basis. Non-violence or ahimsa, far from meaning mere peacefulness or the absence of overt violence, is understood by Mahatma Gandhi to denote active love, the pole opposite of violence in every sense. Satyagraha. Gandhiji called his overall method of non-violent action Satyagraha. It means the exercise of the purest soul force against all injustice, oppression, and exploitation. It is a method of securing rights by personal suffering and not inflicting injury on others. Sarvodaya. Sarvodaya is a term meaning universal uplift or progress of all. The term was first coined by Gandhiji as the title of his translation of John Ruskin tract on political economy unto this last. Swaraj. Although the word Swaraj means self-rule, Gandhiji gave it in the content of an integral revolution that encompasses all sphere of life. For Gandhiji, Swaraj of people meant the sum total of the Swaraj, self-rule of individual, and so he clarified that for him Swaraj meant freedom for the meanest of his countrymen, and in its fullest sense, Swaraj is much more than freedom from all restraint. It is a self-rule, self-restraint, and could be equated with moksha or salvation. Swadeshi. The word Swadeshi derives from a Sanskrit and is a conjunction of two Sanskrit words. Swa means self or own and Desh means country. So Swadesh means one's own country. Swadeshi is the adjectival form, means of one's own country, but can be loosely translated in most contexts as self-sufficiency. Swadeshi is the focus on acting within and from one's own community, both politically and economically. It is the interdependence of community and self-sufficiency. Now we will discuss how all these thoughts of Gandhiji are important in today's world. Peace and stability in the world. Non-violence is a key component of Gandhism or Gandhivad, which was the great weapon used by Gandhiji during the freedom movement of India against British Raj. In a world that is moving through the phases of a war marred by violence and terrorism, there is a significant requirement of Gandhian idea of non-violence more and more today than the past days. The Gandhian model of sustainable development. Sustainable development has become eminence and topic of concern of modern world. It is held that Gandhi's model of non-violent development satisfies the requisite of sustainable development. We are living part of Earth's life, owned and operated by the Earth. Our attitude toward the Earth is defective and dangerous. Our deepest folly is the notion that we own it and can exploit it to our advantage. Gandhi's ideas are relevant for protecting the environment and to preserve the carrying capacity of Mother Earth. Gandhi emphasizes three aspects: economy, society, and environment. He says the present materialistic lifestyle has to be changed for sustainable development. Gandhian economics guide us toward a sustainable lifestyle, creation of a casteless society. Gandhiji was against the caste system and coined the term Harijan to pay respect to the lower caste people. As the caste system is still prevalent in the Indian society, the Gandhian philosophy is useful to create a casteless society where everyone is treated equally, irrespective of their caste. Gandhian socialism or Gandhivadi Samajwad. Gandhian view of socialism is not political but more social in its approach. As Gandhiji thought of a society with no poverty, no hunger, no unemployment, and education and health for all. These Gandhian ideologies will continue to act as the lighthouse for Indian policymakers. From poverty alleviation to Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and universal healthcare Ayushman Bharat to Skill India program, everywhere the core inspiration comes from Gandhiism. Cleanliness. Gandhiji laid great emphasis upon cleanliness or Swachhata, as he used to say, Swachhata hi Seva. The recent Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the biggest cleanliness drive of India, is to fulfill the dream of Bapu by making India clean. However, this cleanliness drive is more than physical cleanliness and the need to lay emphasis upon the internal cleanliness of individual. Thus, along with clean roads, toilet for a clean India, we require a corruption-free society with greater levels of transparency and accountability too. Gandhiji's political contribution offered us independence, but his ideologies enlightened India as well as the world even today. After so many years, every individual thus should follow the key Gandhian ideologies in their day-to-day life for a happy, prosperous, healthy, harmonious and sustainable future. Thank you.